I think convenience is one of the biggest things that we want someone to walk away with. We want it to be easy for them to book an appointment, to drop their vehicle off, or to have us go get it for them. And just knowing that they're being taken care of.
Being served should be easy. It should be easy for you, it should be easy for the company you deal with. And we aim to have that mutually beneficial relationship with our customers.
It's not just about vacuuming, it's not just about getting the job done, it's about making people happy. And that goes from the first phone call that we have with people to the very last point of contact that we have, once they pick up the vehicle. A lot of businesses claim that they want to take care of the customer, but there's only a few businesses that actually want to make that happen, and we're one of those businesses.
There's so many things grabbing our attention always. And sometimes you can very well tell they just want your money. And there's everyone grabbing our attention, but competition becomes irrelevant if you add so much value to people. They don't even think about anyone else. They want to do business with you.
Once we got our name out there and once people realized that we were providing a really high quality service and they realized that we really genuinely cared about them, I think we've been really well received.